Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Ashutosh Saxena. I will share a few important points with uh, you about corona. So what we have to avoid stepping out without a mask. Don't use common utensils. Try to avoid the physical copies of newspapers and magazines. Avoid crowding at meeting room, sneezing and coughing at public places, giving a handshake. Don't use public transport preferably. Don't touch your face frequently, and in public places if you are entering, don't go without a screening and avoid the use of lift. Instead of that, you can cover your mask whenever you are going outside. Use personal vehicle, read online stuff like newspapers, maintain social distancing, greet with namaste, use tissue while you are sneezing and coughing, use personal vehicles for traveling, wash your hands, and enter with thermal screening at public places. Use stairs. This is the message for the day. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you so much.